Hello and welcome to MyScience Tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at how to convert temperature from degrees Celsius to Kelvin and even Fahrenheit without doing any calculation at all. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, make sure you consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of our latest tutorials on this channel. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now, before we begin, I would like to bring your notice to this. That is, for this to work, you need at least a laptop. So we are going to do the calculation or the conversion on the laptop using an inbuilt software that is already on your machine. So you don't need the internet, or you don't need to go and watch a YouTube video on how to calculate the temperature or how to convert the temperature from degrees Celsius to Kelvin, or to know the formula or anything. You can just straight ahead input the value, and then it will give you the corresponding result in the other unit. So let's go ahead and look at how we are going to do this. So first of all, we want to come to our start menu over here, and we select that. Then we scroll down and we find our Windows calculator. So this is what we are going to use for this example. So we select that, and then initially at default, this is what you will see, your standard calculator, which you can use for basic arithmetic. But from the navigation bar over here, the small icon over here, if you click it, you can see that we have a lot of options over here, which I'll be going through in other subsequent videos. But today we are focusing on temperature, because we want to learn how to convert temperature from different units. So first of all, we select that, and we can see that we have the temperature calculator open for us. So already we can see that if we select this side, we can see the units for converting temperature. We have the degrees Celsius, we have the Fahrenheit, and then we have the Kelvin. Okay, the same thing for the bottom over here. Okay, so from the onset, you can see that 0 degrees Celsius is equal to what? 32 Fahrenheit. Okay, so originally the unit conversion has been given to you, and you can see that the same 0 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 32 Fahrenheit, is also equal to 273.1 Kelvin. Okay, so assuming you want to convert from Fahrenheit to, let's say, degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's input the value over here. So for the Fahrenheit, you want to convert, let's say, 50 Fahrenheit. So we select 50, and we can see that 50 Fahrenheit is equal to what? 10 degrees Celsius, and that is equal to what? 283.2 Kelvin. Okay, so if we want to convert, let's say 420 Fahrenheit, that is equal to, or that is equivalent to 215.5556 degrees Celsius, or 488.7 Kelvin. The same way, if we want to convert from, let's say, Kelvin to, let's say, degrees, let me say Fahrenheit. Okay, what it means is that 0 Kelvin is equal to what? Negative 459.67 Fahrenheit. And so let me say 70 Kelvin. 70 Kelvin is now equal to what? Negative 333.67 Fahrenheit, and that is also equivalent to negative 203.1 degrees Celsius. So you just need to input the temperature that you have over here, and that will give you the corresponding value for the other units once you do the setup using the arrow down here below. So it means 500 Kelvin is equivalent to what? 440.33 Fahrenheit, and then that is also equivalent to 226.9 degrees Celsius. So this is how we use the temperature calculator. So assuming you are doing a calculation and you need a quick conversion of temperature, and you don't have, maybe data to go online and go and search, once you've seen this video, you know that even without going to look for a video on YouTube to learn how to do the conversion using formula, or you go and look for a textbook to see the formula before you do the calculation and all that, you know that you can just use this simple calculator, the inbuilt Windows calculator, to do your conversion from either Kelvin to Fahrenheit or to degrees Celsius. So thank you so much for watching, and then in the subsequent videos I'll be dealing with the other converters that we have over here, as energy, area, speed, and everything. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.